Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube, Twitter and Twitch and X. Let's see if we're live on YouTube. We'll be trading through open today. Good morning. Let me get my channel set up and we'll get on rolling. I'm supposed to be using that intro. I keep forgetting. Damn. KJ Palmer made for us. Very happy. All right, I think we're golden. Let's see if we're live. 4 out of 5. That's really good on the thumbs up. 5 of you here. Good morning. All right, let's see what we got going on this morning. I don't know. Is that live thing here? Yep, that is the intro. Okay, let's hear the intro.
Yo, future and current safety traders. The Safety Trade System Live will begin shortly with your host, Kevin Grego, the founder of the Safety Trade System. If you are already a member of the Safety Trade System, be sure to get your charts up, load your indicators, and follow along through the live. Remember, demo trade only. Kevin is not a financial advisor. And let's not forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it.
Morning, not today. Good morning, Tarai Edwards and Flacco and Yolanda. Good morning, Ellen. Good morning, Lazarus, Aussie trader, Vembinski. Good morning, George. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Our theme song. Take it, trade Morning, David. Good morning, Kia. Morning, Lachey and George and Ellen. Good morning, Yolanda and Taraya and Flacco. Boy, a lot of our female traders are on this morning. What a great day. I'd like to thank KJ again for our little intro we're working on. 1 hour buy, stop all indices. 1 hour buy, stop all indices. 1 hour buy, stop. ES1, SPX, and Q1, NAS, US30, and YM1. Please give a thumbs up, by the way, as you enter. All right. Whew. Hopefully, we're on a great week this week. Sorry about the last, 2 weeks? Well, 1 week for sure. We were cruising for, 8 days or something like that. And let me tell you, have cruise ships improved over the years? Jeez, oh, pizza, what the fuck? Where's this thing at? Hold on. This thing right, I won't go on to it too much, but holy shit. This cruise ship is just, I don't know. I mean, I think there was a picture of them side by side with another cruise ship, like a normal one. Hold on. I mean, absolutely. It's called Star of the Seas. Let me see. I could have swore it was docked next to one. Well, that's next to another sister icon class. That's my song, TikTok. TikTok will not stop. Wow, whatever. Look at that one. Icon. There it is. That's the picture I was trying to find. Look at the size different. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. What's up, Michelle? Good morning, Lazarus. Good morning, Sam. Anywho, yeah, cruising has changed. Me and Bree just had a blast. It was so much fun. Buy stop 1 hour, all indices. 1 hour buy stop, all indices. Not quite ready to pop yet. It's getting close. Looks like the first one to pop might be ES1 and SPX. How do I know that? Because the blue line is almost to the bottom here. It's not as close on NQ and NAS. I'm not saying NAS won't go first. I'm saying it's a little behind on things right now, but it's getting close. Blessed morning to you, Orlando Walters. Oh. It's over. It's over. How's everybody doing this morning? I cannot find Well, that's awesome. Secret Harbor. Logo. Order, we don't care. We don't care. How to trade. Yeah, we do have an affiliate program. How about this? Grand Risings, blessings to you. Upcoming, telling you exactly where 35 symbols are going, back testing our Brebot. That's all true, actually. That's a good one. Let me zoom in a little bit for those of us. Ooh, maybe two grow. I hate that TikTok doesn't show exactly what it is. Thank you for all the likes on TikTok, by the way. What's up, the Griffey? Good morning. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. Good morning, Michelle, again. We are trading any symbol. We scalp, swing trade, any time frame, any type of trading you want to do. Funded trader. We handle it all here. All right. Good morning, Kirk Brown and Barani. Good morning, everybody. Buy, stop, 1 hour, all 6 indices. Nice. It's actually a little faster on some, but I'm not getting into that right now. I'm just going to stay with the generic 1 hour call. You can clearly see it's 45 minutes on some. But I'm just calling a 1 hour buy stop so to keep everybody comfy. All right. If I can get a whole bunch of thumbs ups, that would be awesome. Would you guys like an update on the Brebot first? I'm going to do them all anyways. Doesn't really matter, I guess. Would you like a Brebot update? Good morning, Larry Cooper. God bless, Larry. God bless you too, Barani and Kirk and Orlando, Sam and David and Kia. Sorry, Alex. I keep slaughtering the name. Lachey, Ellen, George. I think I'm going to give you guys an update on the Brebot first. It's a fully automated trading system coming to you know it's over. It's missing the Uno reverse has been flipped. Yeah, see, it's not able to pick up the different trades. It's over. You know it's over. Yeah, see, it can't even. Keith Rooney's on a vacation in or near around Tampa. So when he gets back, we'll be working on this particular little feature. You know it's over. But we can manually do it. All right. So let's go down to the, I don't know, we look at them all the time. Let's go over here to the 4 hour. Oh, whoa, my bad. Hold on. I think this one, yeah, this one is working a little better. This is the single one. There you go. And it's showing you what it's doing and stuff. I can't really get into it all. I forgot about that, yeah. Still not picking up every trade, but at least you can kind of figure out a little better the tracking of it. 81% profit with my fucking asshole. It's 100% win rate right now. But anywho, let's actually look at those. Good morning, Dan. Again. All right, so we have a Bree-bot. Let me get over to our little wording right here. I don't know if this is the one. Oh, that is not good. Let's go over to there is a robot coming for NQ1, ES1, NAS, and SPX will be the first one. A 90% win rate is ridiculous. I'll be shooting for a 99 or 100% win rate. Fully automatic. Can't spell automatic right. Demo trades only. It'll be released, obviously not in a month. It's been over a month. Not sure on the pricing. I am 100% sure that the people in the sniper and signal service will receive the best pricing and receive the robot first, and the people in my system will receive it next. And people who have bought my system in the past will then be open to do it. Good morning, History and Wildlife Girl. Good morning. I know who you are. I think she uses a real name. I probably could say it. Good morning, Guy Burger on TikTok. So let's go over the robot. This is what the robot will be looking like. We can check it out on all time frames. This is SPX. I prefer to look at it on NAS right now. By the way, it is attempting to run on gold. We're having a few technical issues with it, but it's getting closer. This is gold. And here's an entry, for instance, right here. So far, the robot is calling out the trade executed, the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. And it's a nice read. It's not the correct read. It should be reading this right here, this very first one right there. Unbeknownst to me, minimum it should have read is this one right here. Now, how it missed those two previous ones and only caught this one right here is a little beyond me. I don't know how robots think exactly. Keith swears that, oh, when the pink crosses the blue, and yeah, he's right, 99% of the time. Morning, Brian. The computer stuff works good, but there's always that 10%, 1% where it just makes you wonder, what the fuck is it looking at? Like, I don't get it. Like, for human eyes right here, let me show you the first thing I'd be looking at would be right here. What's this? And what's this? Looks like the pink crossed a little high. Hold on a second. Maybe if I reset something, give me 1 second on that. Maybe I can force it to do what it's supposed to do. You know it's over. You know it's over. After order is filled, recalculate. Fill orders using bar mat. Oh, shit. That's all the order. Yeah, I don't care about any of that. Style inputs. Use RD1 in calculations. You know it's over. Let's change this to... What number do you think that's on? Hold on one second. You know it's over. Let's just change these to 30. You know it's over. Give me one second. I'm going to try to catch this, force this thing to see this one trade. I might be able to do it. I don't know. Aha. And I did. You know it's over. Now it read that trade much better. See how it went from... It was looking and reading this trade, which is fine. Eventually it'll do it. But it should have been reading this trade first. And technically, it kind of could catch that one. I'm going to see if I can catch that. Let me see where that's at. Hold on. Yes, LSU. It's going to trade most first buy stops. Eventually, there'll be a option on there for you guys to catch the second, third, and fourth buy stops. But yes, the initial one will be just the first buy stop. We'll be upgrading the bot all the time. It'll never stop. We'll have upgrade after upgrade after upgrade. Let me see something here. Oh, I think I can upgrade. Hold on. Let me forcefully see something again, and I might just leave it so you guys can see what I'm doing. You know it's over. You know it's over. Yeah, I can show you this, I guess. Nope, nope, I can't. No, I cannot. See, good thing I don't do that. Ooh. I'll have to change that. Now, let's see if this does anything. You know, oh, look at that. Damn, Keith is good. Good job, Keith. The great Keith Palmer put some respect on his name. Look what I did. I was able to forcefully move it. Good job. See, it found the first one. Ha, ha, ha. I knew it. This might help a lot. Okay, anywho. LSU, good morning, John Parker. What's up, John? Good morning, Smith. It would be good to have it take the 30 minutes. Yes, of course. Please do not forget for 1 second, LSU, we have a signal service that takes the 30-minute buy stops right here. So we already have a robot calling out 30-minute signals right here. And I was checking it the other day, and it's just freaking awesome. Can't miss. I don't, for 1 second, there'll be none misses. It's doing it on the weekly, 3-week, all those. I prefer to do it just on the monthly, but we'll adapt to that. So there you go. Pop. We already saw it hit this one. Pop. Wonder if I can re-add something here. You know it's over. I think I can do this. Hold on. You know it's over. Haha. I thought I could. Now hold on one more second. Let me adapt it one more time over. You know it's over. Let's go up to 30 on this one. Aha. More than one way to skin a cat. For now, I'm going to add on a couple of the Brebots single time frames, see how they do. And there we go. Wow. Keith is amazing. There we go. Now you're seeing two Brebot calls out on gold, which are 100% correct. Now let's go ahead and go back to, you know, it's over. How fucking cool is that? What's up, Ronnie? Oh yeah, the Brebot is that configurable. I can get the Brebot to sing. He has so many variables in there for me that I can do what I want to do to make sure it's working properly. Keith is incredible. Never forget that. Please put some respect on his name. All right, but let's do this real quick. I want to change both of them over to NAS since that's the one we're mainly testing. And I want to go over to our 2 hour. And let's see how the multiple time frame Brebot, which is being used unbelievably effectively, to the single one. Here's a trade executed right here. And let's see if this is correct. Yep, there she blows. Oh, baby. Look at that. And they match up identically. Entry, let me see, is a little different. 21. No, it is not. Stop loss is same. Nope, stop loss is not. Take profit is not. But still the same call of the trade. That's all that we care about. And there you go. What you guys will be witnessing is on the right, the multiple, this one right here, is it's reading 6 indices, 3 charts all at once. This is reading 1 symbol, 3 different time frames. So if I put it on the 2 hour, it's reading the 1 hour, 2 hour, and in this case, the 3 hour all at one time. On one symbol, this is on the number 1 over here, it's reading 6 symbols, 3 time frames. And then it's reading the sniper, it's reading the everything you guys are taught times extra. Hundreds and hundreds of different things it's reading. Good morning, Brian. Again. Good morning, Guyberger again. Okay, so now you are seeing fucking awesomeness. There's our 2 hour. I think we have it coded for a 1 hour. We'll have to see. Some of the time frames are a little bit different. Let me see. Oh, look at there. Look at there. Did our old, no, it did not. So the single one, haha. The single one. Look at that. There's a single one on the 1 hour entry. Caught it perfectly. Look at that. Oh, this Brebot is going to fucking kick ass. Uh-huh. How many of you took that trade? Yourselves. Uh-huh. I didn't think so. There it is. The entry is at 24. Let me see if the entry, because we've been struggling with the entry, trying to get it to see the right thing. 24. It should have entered in here around 24,203. Entry was 20. Yeah, it was too late. 24,227. Not bad, but a little late. Yep, there. Can you imagine? So this is the call on the bot. The bot would have traded this on September 17th, just 3 days ago. It would have entered the trade roughly here, and you would have made roughly 295 pips on a trade. Holy fucking shit. Yeah. Yeah, don't you wish the Rebot was out already? Would be good to have it taking this 30-minute buy stop is going to be correct. Yeah. Let's go down to the 30-minute and see what we see. I don't know if it's quite coded for 30. I don't know if the new or the old code is, or the different code is either. Let me see. Oh, there's one 30-minute. Let me see if this is correct. Yep, that looks very good entry. Oh, both of them would have caught the 30-minute. Well, there you go. There you go, my friend. Entries are the same. Stop loss, take profits are a little different, but we tweak those as we are going forward. Perfect trade, by the way. You would have literally made on the 30-minute entry somewhere around here into here. You'd have made 900. I don't think any draw, less than 10 pips drawdown for damn sure. And then, yeah, 900 pips. Oh, smack. That's wild. Nice. Okay. I'm comfortable. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. You know it's over. How fucking awesome. Let's just for shits and giggle see what it looks like on Bitcoin, shall we? See if it can figure. And now we can't do this one on Bitcoin, so let me move this out to the full screen. And looked for a trade, didn't find it. Did call the trade here. Nope, something missed. It kind of technically should have caught this one. Definitely should have caught that one. But let's see what this one. Oh, no, it's still a real good trade. Okay. But why didn't it catch this one? Hold on. I got to pull it again away. So why didn't it catch that one? What was that about? Sniper 50. RD1? Was it confused on RD1? No. Use RD1. No, yeah, that should have caught that. You know it's over. See, things that make you say, I've checked. Bitcoin entry. Yeah, but it should have caught it right there. That's where the entry should have been at. 115,439. It went over $1,000 a coin. Yeah, but why didn't it catch that? Hold on, let me go to a higher time frame. Might be having trouble with the... Yeah, that went below. Well, why didn't it catch that one? Oh, it's looking. There's a buy stop forming on the 2 hour. Let me go to the 3 hour and see if it's still seeing it. Nope, maybe the 4 hour. Oh, come on, the 4 hour is coded. See what I mean? Why is it only seeing it on the 2 hour? It's only looking on the 2 hour. 100% same trade on the 3 hour. It should be at least looking. The blue line should be there. And then the 4 hour, you can clearly see, well, okay, that I'll give you. That one's not, this is more than below 50%. Yeah. So if nothing else, it should be reading a 3 hour. Computers. He's a way smarter man than I am. I have no patience for that. 5 hour buy stop Bitcoin. It's got a ways to go, though. It's not going to do it anytime soon. Eventually, Bitcoin will be going to 116,000, 117,000, 117,500 Bitcoin.
Demo trade only.
5 hour buy.
I am not a financial advisor.
Let me see. Let me go down and see. Okay, here's the 1 hour. Nice. All right, here's the 1 hour. Boop. Yep. See how it read that perfectly. That's a beautiful read. When was in? I can't see it. Why is this shit showing? You want me to go in there and take that off? What? Fuck. That is 100. Oh, Jesus. Hold on a second. You know it's over. You know it's over. Good morning, Marley Mar. Why is it not seeing that? You know it's over. Please don't be posting in the Discord. Oh my God. Persistent, Big D. I don't know who is this. Don't post in the Discord. Don't post in the Discord. Does no one read? Thank you, Coop. All right, let me go back to what I was trying to do. Yeah, that's not good. I don't want to really go into that, do I? .0.008. I think I'll leave that off for now. You know it's over. I'll just wing around. I'll fix that later, not right now. And no, I don't know how to code. I just can fix what Keith has up there, some of the things I want to see differently, and yeah. Okay, I really still can't read that. Anybody can read that shit? What the fuck does that say? Let me see if I can move that to the front. Hold on. You know it's over. Let's see. We got to move that to the front. Interesting. First time frame turning to green. Okay. Let's go down to the 5 second. 10 second. Buy stop to the 10 second blue line. ES1 buy stop to the 10 second blue line. SPX buy stop to the 10 second blue line. NQ1 buy stop to the 10 second blue line. NAS buy stop to the 10 second blue line. There we go. And YM1 also. Okay. We'll come back to those in a minute. You know it's over. Give me just 1 second. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. You know it's over. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, pink line's going to come up, cross purple, go to the blue. This will fill in. They're all going to go up. They're all going to go up and hit, especially NQ1 and NAS are going to hit the 10-second blue line very soon. I don't know if there's any news this morning. If there is, you guys can let me know. Good morning, persistent. That wasn't you. Okay, well, I could have swore the guy said persistent. Good morning, paycheck. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Give me just a second here. You know it's over. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line, all indices. Give me a second. I'm not really looking at that. I need to. Reset, buy stop to the 5-second blue line, but hold on, I can't see everything at once. You know it's over. Ah, where are we? Color gray, color white. Aha. Oh, come on, really? There's too many colors in this thing. Oh, geez. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's just too many. Fuck it, I'm good. Oh, thank God. Okay. we're good. That took forever. All right, let's see where we're at now with this. Hold on. I don't know if there's any news. If there was, fuck it. I ain't got time for it. No red folder news. Thanks, Sam. Good morning, Arginus Luna, Persistent Pay, Dude, Marley Marr, Kirk Brown, Larry Cooper, Christopher Armas, Grant. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. You know it's over. All right, now. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Brexit. Good morning, Mike Glowinski, on everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good. We've got a good number of people watching this morning. I think totally we're about 80 on all the different things. I'm going to need quite a few more thumbs up on YouTube. Yeah. 42 of you and not even 30 thumbs up. That ain't working. So let's get some more thumbs up on YouTube, please. All right. What we're doing is we're looking at the single trader for the Breebot, upcoming Breebot. We're looking at Bitcoin 1 hour. It would have entered you in at 115,165. There would have been slight to no drawdown whatsoever. And obviously then let's take a look at how high this went up. Talking about a correct trade. Yeah. So 115 and it went up to, so about $3,000 on that trade. I'm currently calling it a 3-hour buy stop. Also, it's going to do it again. Oh, for Bitcoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Random Neil. Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? What's up, Jamie Rojo? All right. So what you're witnessing is working on Bitcoin. Let's see if it's working elsewhere. How about like, no. Let's just get like a Qualcomm, something that's happening recently. Okay, it looked for 2 trades here on the 1 hour. Never called it. Yeah, it should have called it right there. Absolutely should have called this. Why did it not call that? Let me see. Did it do it on a 30-minute maybe? You never know with robots. I swear Keith is so patient and so good with things, but not me. See, look, it looked for it. Fucking should have called it right there. Hell, it should have called it right here. And here. Whatever. Let me see the 2 hour. Maybe it'll be a little more. Yeah, no, it absolutely should have called it here and here. And here. Definitely right here. Maybe because they're not active right at the moment. Let me go over to a different one. Let me see like XRP. Nope, it missed this 2 hour right here. What the world? And this is why we have the great Keith Palmer. Because even though you code it to do something, yeah, right, it doesn't always see everything you think it's seeing. Let's do ES1 real quick, 2 hour. Oh, I see something. Aha. Abso-fucking-lutely. Read the, yeah, I figured it's doing the indices. Should be doing the indices 100% correctly. Yeah, ES1, perfect read. Popped it. Boom. Entry here. Can't say if that's correct. Looks good enough to me. I think he's going to have to add in one more logic on that. It's going to have to make sure it doesn't enter once the pink line is high, which is what it looks like it did right there. I think it should have caught this one when the pink line was low. You know, that could be me forcing it to 50%, though. I don't know. I'd have to look at that and see. Any rate, we're just tweaking things at that point. So it did see that correctly. Let's see how much of a... Interesting. Yeah, we'll have to tweak that. Let me see if it caught SPX. Should be roughly the same time. Yep, perfection. Look at that. Nice entry. Beautiful. NQ1. Perfect NQ1. Gorgeous on NAS. Yep. Perfect on YM1. Perfect on US 30. Wow. Way to go, little robot. Yeah, that's nice right there. Look at that. Gorgeous. Yeah, the first robot will be 30 minutes and higher. It's going to trade the 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour, 11 hour, 12 hour, daily, weekly, and 3 weekly, monthly, and 3 monthly. We might have to separate off the daily and above. We'll see if I have to do a separate robot for that. But it's definitely reading through the 12 hour through 30 minute. It's going to be for ES1, SPX, NQ1, and NAS. Good morning, old school Mick. Yeah. So that is the robot update. I'm getting more comfortable. Obviously, it needs tweak after tweak after tweak, but we're getting closer. Matter of fact, I'm going to start having some family members using it on demo only and start making some trades soon. We'll have probably a half dozen family members using it. And then... and we 100% do not email me asking to test it, as no one will be testing this before it's released to the public. No one. It's only family. No one. Do not email me asking to test it. Do not email me. Sevens, if you understand, not to email me asking to test this. Sevens, if you understand that. And while you're at it, give me some more thumbs up on YouTube. You know it's over. Fake traders everywhere. But do you adopt 65-year-olds? Oh. Touchdown to the 10-second blue line. NQ1 and NAS. Now let's be clear on this. Free money. SPX and ES1. Free money to the 10-second blue line. You still have time for free money. You still have time for free money. ES1 and SPX 500 to the 10-second blue line. I told you NAS was going to hit it first and NQ. Well, I didn't. I told you I thought it was going to do that, but it was right. And there's a reason for that. Remember I was explaining on the 1 hour and 2 hour how it looked like we're just more further along on the pull down for you on that 1 hour specifically on NAS and NQ1. And then ES1 and SPX, they're all going to do it. But I'm just saying, it was just a pretty easy call. You still have time for ES1? There you go. You know it's over. You know it's over. Can't really hover on that. Damn, fuck. I'll figure that out later. All right. You will see this go up. Let me be clear to those of you who are doubters. You will see price action go up and touch that. You will see price action go up and touch that. You will see it go up. Let me be clear over there. I'm moving you over on TikTok so you can see that. And yes, we have a pink office in the house. Gee, I wonder if that's for my precious, for Bree. See it going up before your very eyes? You see it going up before your very eyes? You see it going up before your very eyes? That is a touchdown. That's called an H&H, horseshoes and hand grenades, close enough. That is a very, very good trade. You're welcome. It happened before your very eyes. Pink, all because of the sniper, by the way. Let's be clear on this. The pink was low. We knew it was going to come up. When it came up, it was going to go up. And there's your fill in the gap, and there it is. Close enough. Whether it hits the blue line is irrelevant. You made money on the call. It's going to go up and hit the blue line. There you go. There it is. There you go. Everybody, let's buy the system. Buy the system. Tell your family and your friends. Don't even think about getting a stupid Christmas gift like a tie. Buy them the system. Look at it go up and do exactly as I said. Look at it go up and do exactly like, there's your touchdown. But it didn't matter. It was close enough. There's your touchdown. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. That's all I'm going to say is this. Let's have a little music play. Come on. You might not like the music, but you got to love when I make these right calls, one after the other, baby. You haven't got the sniper. You haven't got the safety trade system. Yeah, there you go, bitches. There you go, George. Thank you, George, for speaking up. He's not even been with me a few months, and George is popping. Look at it go up before your very eyes. As called out through God, using me as his humble servant. There you go. Tell your friends. Tell your family members. Let's start a movement. Let's get going. It's over. It's over. Ha ha. George is still the only one to say thank you. What's up, I am me? Yes, we can check on Bitcoin. I already called it for you. It's a 4-hour buy stop. Look at this shit. Hello, guys. Before your very eyes, someone is calling out what's going to happen on a 10-second chart. Never in my life did I think I'd ever be able to call. Because of the system, we can call a 10-second trade to perfection. Wow. Wow. That is fucking awesome. I don't care what any of you say. Thank God, thank God. I mean, I told you where it was going to go. When it was down there, that it was going to there. Oh, that's not much. Anyone can do that. Yeah, right, fucking pines. 2.753 pips. That is 10 to 1. So that's 30 ticks. No, that's 100 to 1. What the fuck is it, John? On ES1, what is the tick? So when it's 1 pip, how many ticks is that? Is that 10 to 1 or 100 to 1? I can never remember that shit. I don't trade that stuff. It's at least 10 to 1. Look at that shit. Pure perfection. Name another trader that's trading live 10-second charts. Well, why does it? Because you can make so much fucking money. The same time period when I called it down here to here, that's 23 pips on NAS, 23 pips on NQ1, and you still have time for US30, by the way. Another buy stop, it's going to be a 1-second buy stop on ES1, SPX, and NQ1. You're about to see them hook and come back up to right here again. Watch, you'll see it. I'm creating live alerts. I'm telling you where it's going to go before it's going. There is no other trader doing that. It's because I have a step-by-step system of what it's doing. There you go. Orlando Walters, thank you. Mary Marley Mar. Yep, thank you, God. The system is the best. Yes, it is. There it is, doing exactly what I said for the second time on 10 seconds. You're welcome, Michelle Glowinski and Brexit. Aussie trader. Can we check Bitcoin? Yep, there it is. It did it a fucking again. It did it there it is. I told you right here. That's why those alarms are going off. Are you looking? I told you it was going to go right back to that orange line hook and come back around. Look at it. It did it here. Look at it go up here. Told you again. Okay, mofos, we got to listen to the song again. Sorry. That's just life. You got to listen. If we can't celebrate together, have fun together, look at this shit. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Got the bot. And Trick Talk tries saying this isn't my song. The fuck it's not. Woo! Boom, baby. There it is. Fill in the gap. Pink, blue. Sniper, the most important indicator in the world. If you do not have the sniper, you need to buy my system and then get the sniper. It's the only way you can get the sniper. You can trade alone with the sniper. Morning, Maxim Motors. Head and shoulders. Nachi. Ha ha. The pink's going to come down. The purple's going to come down. Price action, if it comes down enough, going to come down. You'll see it fill in the gap again. We can't get in this one yet. If it goes up, there's nothing we can do. We need it to pull down right now. Nice. Wow, what a system. Step by step. Every one of you on TikTok and YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch, go over to YouTube and see how many of the members watching have a blue wrench by them. They've been with me a year, 2 years, and 3 years. Ask yourself. I am trading the sniper alone, Kev. Is that how good a system? Correct, Orlando. You sure can. That's how good the system is. Look at how many people's names are in blue with a wrench next to them. Those are people that have been with me over a year. Look at how many. Hey, Jamie Rojo. Jamie Rojo, how long you been with me, Jamie? Jamie's been with me over a year. What the fuck? Look at that. Look at how many people. And ask yourself, why would there be 40 people? Why would there be 40 people following me for a year, 2 years, 3 years, unless I'm that accurate? No one wastes their time with trading. No one. Pink's going to cross the purple. It's going to go up again. I don't like this one as good as what these other ones were. You have to wait for it to form exactly. See the fill in the gap right here? This green and yeah. See the pink and purple? This is the better one. SPX ES1. They're all good. This didn't pull back down enough for me to call it again. It's going to go up. Pink will cross purple. Pink will go up. Blah, blah, blah. It'll go up. That's not what I'm saying. I want it to be perfect trade. I wait for perfect trades before I make my calls. Perfection trades. Now, if this dips a little bit more, I'll make a call for y'all again. You'll see. Pink's going to cross purple. It's going to go up, blah, blah, blah. But I don't care. Just renewed. Can you, John, you've been with me 3 years? System is flawless. Old school Mike. Yep, Nick. God bless system. Amen, Larry. Just look at that, Maxim Motors. I don't know who's not bought yet. If you haven't bought the system, why are there so many people renewing for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year that have been with me for years? What's up, Mermaid? Welcome to the channel, Mermaid. New and excited. Oh, you bought the system, Mermaid? Nice. Cute little name, by the way. Sam wants me to check Walmart. Sure, I'll check Walmart. But let's be... Did it do what I said, by the way? Hold on. Yeah, there's the dip. See what I mean? You gotta wait. You have to be patient with my system. My beautiful wife tells you the love language thing. Now, that's much better. I would take the buy on the orange. Boom, that's much better. Pink cross the purple, pink cross the purple. Not yet on NQ1 and NAS. Let NQ1 and NAS go down maybe a little bit further. I'm real finicky on these trades. Buy stop to the orange line for NAS, 10 second NQ orange line. Now you can call SPX and ES1. See how they're dipped down further now? Told you had to wait for that dip to come. I wanted to dip down even further, but nonetheless, buy stop to the orange line on all 4 of these indices. And there's a 1 hour buy stop on all 6 indices right now. All right, now let's look at Walmart. This is so much fun. Now remember, where the hell's my thing with and without? You know it's over. Oh, great. I lost the one thing I had. You know it's over. Nope, got to keep that one. That's our trade tracker. We can get rid of this one, though. Hello? What the fuck is this thing doing? You know it's over. Now, you know it's over. Okay. Now, this is your raw chart on the left. On the right is my safety trade system. If we go over to NAS on both charts, and we go down to the 10-second time frame on both charts, I'm going to show you something. This is the raw chart. Okay? You can trade on the raw chart. Knock yourselves out. Waste your time. Waste your money. I don't know what the fuck to tell you. You can do that. Feel free. Okay. This is the raw chart right here. You can add on your RSIs. You can add on the biggest loser shit you want to add on there. And you can try to trade it. But in reality, there's nothing you could call right here. And everybody knows what this is. It's been trading more than a week. This right here is called what? A choppy market. Consolidation, whatever bullshit term in the old past that you would say this was, right? Or you can come over here and clearly see that this is a buy stop over and over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hell, this is one with the broken box. 7. There's 7 buy stops, right? 7 of them in what you guys used to call a choppy market. There it is, same time frame, same symbol, same everything, except one has my system on it that teaches you clearly what to see. Clearly what to see. Versus one that you have no fucking clue of what's happening. Well, add RSI. I used to do that. Add, oh my God. Yeah, go ahead and try to do a Fibonacci retracement with this right here on the 10-second. Impossible. With my system, you can clearly see buy stop, pink cross blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, green, 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 red, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Here, there's nothing to be seen. 7s, if you clearly can see a difference, even those of you that are haters, even those of you that are doubters, even those of you that are new here, you have to believe your own eyes. You have to. This right here is called consolidation. You know it, I know it, we all know it. There's nothing here that can be called, 0 possibility of this being called anything. Nothing here, 0. Here, You can clearly see, I can zoom in just a little bit for you, and you can clearly see buy stop after buy stop after buy stop. One after the other after the other. Same time. Oh, well, you can do it. Okay, we can zoom in a little bit for you guys here. There you go. I think that's roughly the same size, somewhere around there. Something like that might be. I can overlay it. Nothing will work. Nothing, no indicator, no RSIs, no Fibonacci retracements, no volume, no VWAP, no block trading, no looking to the left, no ascending, descending wedges, no naming of candle patterns, no nothing would work. Okay? Then you come over to here. I can zoom it in just as much. I can make it smaller just as much. I don't give a fuck. I'm just making it bigger so you guys can see the buy stops. That's all it is. So look, let's make it here because I don't want people on TikTok to get confused. And let's make this box smaller. Same time period right there. Same look. I can make it shrink it down. Doesn't matter, just so you guys can see my sniper and things easier. There it is. Pink cross blue, green, 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 red, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Over and over and over again, you would have made about 20 to 30 pips on this trade. Over here, you couldn't even trade it without my, I don't know, the fuck you gonna put on here on a 10-second chart? First of all, there ain't a fucking trader that can trade 10-second charts accurately. Bullshit. If they're out there, then why haven't they ever came on my live in 4 fucking years to trade against me? Because there is none. Secondly, I made my system so you can clearly see entrances over and over and over again. Nothing here. Nothing. Well, if you put on the butterfly and naming of nothing is going to work on a 10-second fucking trade in this time frame. Fuck you. Fuck everyone that thinks you can put something on here. You're wrong. Clearly with my system, you can see the buy stops. Without my system, good the fuck luck. There is nothing here. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, I can put on the R. Good. Put on the fucking RSI and go for it. Put on your Fibonacci auto retracement and go for it. You will get 0 calls, and if there is a call, it'll be 100% inaccurate. My call, 100%. 100%. 100%. There you go. We can stretch it out. Same thing. Look, it's even worse. What the fuck is this mess right here? Look at this shit. Nothing. Everything. Look. Everything being called. Look. There it is. Whoop. There it is. Time and time again. Popped over the blue line. Buy stop 1. Buy stop 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buy stops. Nothing. You know it's over. It's over. There you go. Nothing. Support and resistance, my asshole. How are you going to put support and resistance on a 10-second chart? No, I'm driving this point home because too many of you sit here in dumbness trying to use the old ways of trading and failing miserably time and time again. You can't trade this. There's nothing here, and I can trade market. I can do price action without any symbols and trade. Not on this one, you can't. There's no call to be made. 0. On my system, there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All buy stops, all made you money. All made it. I don't know what this one, I think I looked at was 20 or 30 pips eventually. I hope I'm driving my point home to you all. How much time I got left? Good, I can do my things. All right, now, does anybody have any questions over the system? Ask now. Does anybody have any questions over the system? Ask now. You know it's over. 41 thumbs up out of 45 people watching. Very proud of you. Good job, guys. So there is no questions. I just want you all to be clear that my system is made for beginners. And it's flawless. It's color coded. Doesn't mean it's super. Some people it's super easy. Tommy, what's his face? Jay. There's a couple people right after I got done training with them. They're making $10,000 demo trades. Well, they're doing real, but I can only say demo. Other people, not so much. Takes 6 months, 3 months, a year. Just don't give up. You'll get there with it. It is, Mr. Gold. Good morning, Mr. Gold. Our weekly tradition of making demo money. Yes, Mr. Gold. And Mr. Gold is one of the people who is retired, and he happens to be on YouTube Live, and he's retired using my system. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Pop, 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 pop. Amazing. System, nothing. Zero. Amazing. Zero. RSI. All that fucking bullshit. Swear to God. Technicals. They need to get rid of this fucking technical shit. There is no fucking technical bullshit. Technical. There's not technical anything about this. You know, these fucking indicators suck ass. Every last fucking one of them. Bunch of shit. Get out of here with technical fucking indicators. My ass fucking holes technical more than that is. It's over. It's over. All right. I'm going to go ahead and call out a whole bunch of symbols. I'm going to go ahead and do something first, though. Hold on. You know it's over. They're still so weird with this. All right. What we're going to do now is I'm going to call out a whole bunch of symbols. US 30, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1 are 1 hour buy stops, all of them. They're also all closed symbols in my group, meaning 100% accuracy. They all went up and did exactly as I said. I can't call them anymore. I'm going to call them because it's so easy to call, but I mean, they've done everything on the weekly, monthly, dailies that I wanted them to do. There's nothing more to be called. All right, let's make this here, and let's make this here. All right, let's do this here. And you know it's over. Okay. So here we go. Gold. Without my system, you know shit. With my system, this was a buy stop, 10-second buy stop to the blue line. Gold. Let's see what we can find out for you. A little higher buy stop. You're looking at least a 10-minute, 9-minute, nope, 8-minute buy stop gold. You can clearly see it's a buy stop on gold. With my system, you cannot see shit without it. There's nothing you can do. This is a 8-minute buy stop on gold. It's going to go right up to $3,725.72. You can't read shit. And let me be clear on this, that this is a buy stop at all on gold. Without my system, useless. With my system, it's an 8-minute buy stop on gold. Let's go all the way up here. We're going to go to the daily gold. Daily gold, as I told you, it's a daily, weekly buy stop on gold. With my system, you can clearly see sniper low. There's nothing here to indicate shit. Sniper low. Again, every time my sniper was low and went up high, you can clearly see the buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, fill in the gap on the weekly. Over here, you had nothing to know anything about anything. Matter of fact, I remember back here a year and a half ago, oh, gold's at a max. All the other fucking pro traders out there think there's some shit doesn't smell. We're calling gold to be a max. I kept saying, nope, it's going to go up. And it did. And I knew it because of the sniper. Boom, 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 boom. Nothing here. Nothing to call without my system. Gold will go to a new record high. It already has, and it continue will do so. Silver, again, without my system, you ain't calling shit. With my system, it's going to go to a new record high, which it already has. I told you it was going over $40 when it was back down here. I told you to go over 43. I'm telling you it's going to go over 45. Silver was a 12-hour, 10-hour buy. Also a closed symbol, meaning 100% accuracy over the last 3 years with no missed calls. Litecoin. Here we go. 10-hour. Dippity-doo-dah down to here. Oh, nice. Damn, I called it at 103 and it's going down. Let's see how she's going to do. Let me see down here now. Litecoin. Litecoin, buy stop to the 30-second blue line, $107.20. There's nothing you can call here without my system. With my system, it literally tells you it's going to this blue line. And there is a 30-second buy stop right there. You can't mistake it. Without my system, you have no clue. With my system, it's going to that blue line. There's a 30-second buy stop to the blue line. There it is. Clear as, I don't know, unless you're colorblind like my brother is. 5-minute sell. Let's see where she's going to. 8-minute sell, 9-minute sell, 8-minute, 9-minute sell. Sell stop down to $102.78. NQ hit 1-minute blue. Nice, Sam UK. Hope that Sam K. Hope that helps you. 15-minute. Yep. So let's go to the 1-hour Litecoin. I personally think you're getting on the very bottom of this. There it is to the 4-hour. It hit the 4-hour. Let me see the 7-hour. 7-hour, 9-hour, nope, 12-hour, 10-hour, 10-hour. We're looking at Litecoin. 12-hour, 12-hour. Gorgeous. Litecoin. Daily buy stop. $109. Take profit. $112 take profit. $116 take profit. $121 take profit.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Litecoin. Yeah, it's got to go. Litecoin's about to explode. Litecoin, $118, $137, $198. Litecoin. Love Litecoin. There's nothing you can call without my system on Litecoin. Nike. Let's go all the way down here. I want to see what Nike's doing down here. 15-minute sell. 1-hour sell. Where's she going to? Nope, already hit it. Nope. Daily. That is gorgeous. Ooh. Nike. Weekly sell. I believe we're on the very, very bottom of this Nike weekly sell. I'm going to call it to $53.95, but I don't, and definitely $65.30, but I don't like it. This is the one I'm going to call for you guys that I love. If you do some leaps, some long-term demo options on Nike, $80.67 take profit, $93.56 take profit. I love Nike, $124.31. Okay? And then it's going to go above 179.86. That's Nike.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
I
advisor.
love Nike. If you look again over here without my system, right? Right here. I don't know if you can read that or not. Hopefully you can. With my system, Nike is the most obvious, easiest called 3-month buy stop. This thing's going to go exploding upward, by the way. Let me be clear on this. Yes, I can look at that Maxim Motors MMM after I'm done with my calls. Oh, you know what I don't have? Hold on. I don't have my alarm set for this morning. Oh, shit. I only need a few minutes to catch it. So there you go. We'll be trading through market open this morning. Target. Let's see what's going on with Target. First time frame green. Look for a 10-second buy stop to the blue line on all indices. Let's see where this is going to. 10-minute, 15-minute target, 1 hour target, 4 hour target, sell. 4 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour. Damn. Target is still a super strong buy. Let me see. Daily, sell, stop. There you go to the weekly. Okay. 3-month, 6-month buy stop on Target. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's going to go a little bit lower. I love the lower. $98, take profit one. $117, take profit. $130, take profit. I love $171.68 for Target. It's going to take time. Do a leap on it. Go out a year or so on these options and just absorb any of the downward movement. Options can do that. They're not going to. Options are very easy. Demo trade only. And that is Target. What's up, Tank Dog? Good morning, Tank Dog.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Tank Dog's been with me a while, I'll tell you that. Oh. CVS. I'm not going to go into so much detail with CVS. Those are the two that I wanted to see with the big ones there. CVS. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. You've already made good money on CVS. It's up to 71. It's going back to $76.77. It's going to go back to $80.50. My favorite, take profit of $84.86, and then it will go past 114. Estee Lauder, still on it. Estee Lauder, 100, 113, 148, 194. Favorite take profit is $237.52. Verizon. Let me see. 6-month buy stop. Verizon's going back to $47.37. I love $50.14 Verizon.
Demo trade only.
SMCI.
I am not a financial advisor.
SMCI. It's going to move much faster because it's a 3-week weekly buy stop. SMCI, take profit of $49.16, and then it's going to $70.48.
Demo trade only.
PFE.
I am not a financial advisor.
PFE is going to be a little bit longer of a trade. There's a sell right there. 6-month buy. I love this buy stop for PFE. $27, $31. It's going to go to $41.59.
Demo trade
Starbucks.
only. I am not a financial advisor.
Starbucks is a monthly, so it's going to move a little faster than PFE. Starbucks is a monthly buy. It's going to dip a little first and then go to $91, $97.83. My favorite is $107.07 for Starbucks.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Flow is much slower. It's a 3-month buy stop. Probably going to take a little bit of time. Take profit one. Oh, look at it go down. I love this. $15. Where is it going to go to? Hold on. Let me see how low this is going. Yeah, it's in the daily, weekly sell. It hit the blue line, 3 weekly. Unknown, monthly, unknown. 6 months, 3 months. I love this trade. Take profit, $14. The lower it goes, the better this trade gets. $16.20, $19.42, $23.50. Love it. Oxy. Another really long trade. This is a 6 month, 12-month buy. $51.84, $61.09, $81.46.
Demo trade only.
TM.
I am not a financial advisor.
TM. Nope. TM is a much faster trade. Let's see how much faster. 3 week? Yeah. 3 week. But look at TM do its thing. It's already hit whatever this take profit was. I was calling it back here. We were a little late in it, but we still made the money. It's going to go, I told you it was going right back up to currently where it is. It's going to go to $211. Then it's going to go to $218.30. That's TM. AT&T did exactly what I called. AT&T is a closed trade, meaning 100% accuracy on all my calls to the orange line. It's done. I'm going to go ahead and give you a little freebie on this. It's going to $31.30 and then $44.71. Bitcoin, I've been calling it since April the 8th of 2023 at 26,500. Technically, it's a closed trade, but Bitcoin is going back up to 125,000 and then 130,000. Ethereum, also technically a closed trade. It did exactly. Oh my God, it's so funny. Ethereum, boy, we rode that one for a while. I know Larry did. Beautiful trades, beautiful. You'd have got in here and whatever. It's technically closed like Bitcoin and AT&T with 100% accuracy, 100% calling Ethereum out easily, all the way up to 5,000. It's going to go back there. It's going to go to 5,000 again. XRP. XRP currently is a daily, weekly buy stop. It is, however, closed down trade. Everything I called out for XRP has happened from 31 cents to over $3.10. You would have made 10 times your money, 1,000% on your money. It's going to go back to $3.22 for XRP. XLM, also a closed trade. XLM, we're going back to 43 cents, and I've called that one out forever correctly. ASML, look at AS, look at the time period. This is a daily buy. This is called out so perfectly. Absolute one. Look, we caught all of that green candle right there, 100% accurate. Hit everything. I'm going to call it to 1,000 just because I like it. ASML is going to 1,000.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Amazon.
advisor.
If there's one stock that if I had to say no matter what, it would be going up forever, it's Amazon. I've been calling it since $91, $92 a share, $93. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can on Amazon. I just love Amazon. I don't give a shit about Jeff Bezos. Oh, it's not environment. I don't give a fuck. Amazon, 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 Amazon. Strongest buy recommendation, even though it's skyrocketed up, which is the complete opposite of Netflix. Netflix will be going back to $1,277, but you should have had my dang gone system, and you could have got in probably even here at $400. Definitely this last push down right here at $859. Now Netflix is not a strong buy. I don't give a fuck. It's too high. I do not like Netflix, but it was called out 100% accurately, just as my other symbols were that I just named, and it's
Demo
done.
trade only. I am not a financial
NVIDIA.
advisor.
How much more green, 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 red, green, green can you ask for an NVIDIA? Right? April of 2025, you could have got in at 113. It went up to 184. It will go back up to 184, but NVIDIA is also closed in my system, meaning 100% accurately called out trade on NVIDIA. Nothing more to really check. You could do a 30-minute buy stop on those, but whatever. J&J. J&J. Talking about another. I mean, I made money, demo money on options out my ass, so much so they got me for day trading on that one. Yeah, I'm back in public again, by the way. It's just amazing. J&J has done everything I said it was going to do. I first called it at $141. It went down, I think I was within 86 cents of the bottom, and then it went up to 180. I mean, you can't ask for a better called out, better trade out trade than that. Do I think it's going to keep going up? Yeah, but it's already pretty much done its thing. It may go to 186 again, and that's where I'll call it for you guys because I just love it. Look at this call out I made. Look at this fucking call out I made. On 12/29, right? I called the buy stop. And look at my numbers I gave you. Look at the numbers. On 12/29, I called this trade. 143. Look at it. 3-month buy stop. Love it, love it, love it. Look at my wording. It will take months to develop. Take profits will take years to develop. Still love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at this. Love the 3-month buy stop. Love it, love it, love it. I'm telling you, look. I'm telling you right here. It's going to go to 155, take profit hit. 158, take profit hit. 166, take profit hit. 173, take profit hit. 184. Look at what I call to perfection. To how do you fucking call something out down to the dollar? Huh, peeps? How do you fucking do that one? Look at that. I called 184 to be the high. Holy, sometimes I even impress myself with this shit. Damn, am I fucking good? Am I fucking good or what? Look at this shit. Look at that. It hit 186.98 and I called $184 for the take profit. Pretty fucking good. I don't know. On J&J, I literally called the bottom within 89 cents and I called the top within like $2. Anybody out there want to say that's pretty good? Wrote it down, told you where it was going to go. Wow, whatever. Yeah. AMD. Been calling AMD out correctly. AMD is another daily buy stop. AMD take profit is $165, $177.61, and then it's going to go to $185.72. Yeah, AMD. I've been calling that's also another closed trade. All these are closed symbols, meaning 100% accuracy. Listen to me. All my take profits were correct. Oh, 7 minutes to market open. Fuck, 7 minutes. I didn't get through my whole list. Oh, shit. Hold on. I can do it. I can do it quick. Costco. I got to fly, peeps. Got to fly. Shit. Costco is a... It's already been called out 100% correctly. I just want to call it for this one guy. 1,000. That's where Costco's going. McDonald's called it out 100% correctly. It's going to go back to 308. Microsoft.
Demo trade only.
Already called out 100% accurately, so my signal service is going to 529. Hilton.
Demo trade only.
I've already called it 100% accurately. It's going to go to 274.
Demo trade
Google.
only.
Already
I am
called it
not
out
a
100%
financial
accurately. Take any
advisor.
30-minute buy stop. We were calling Google down here at 160, not up here at 260. By my system, you can make these the same exact trades. Here's 11.5 buy stop. I told you when to get the fuck in on Apple. It's already hit all take profits. Nothing else I can do. Tesla. Look at Tesla go up. I told you Tesla. Where is... I want my billion from Elon. I swear. Oh, you didn't buy... Yeah, I called this shit for Elon. I never stopped calling it for Elon. Elon's going to go back up over to 490. It's going to go over 500. United Healthcare. You want a nice little one that shouldn't have been smashed down even though it's a shitty-ass company? It's a buy stop. I told you United's a buy stop. It's going to go to 388 and then to 500. NVO. NVO is a 3-month buy? Nope. Monthly buy stop NVO. It's going to go up to 102. Qualcomm. I have options in Qualcomm. I love Qualcomm. Qualcomm is outperforming quicker than everything I thought it would do. Qualcomm is amazing. It's going to $177.21. Disney.
Demo trade only.
Disney,
I
let
am
it get
not
slammed,
a
let it get
financial advisor.
destroyed, let it go down. Disney is the strongest buy stop recommendation I can make. It is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Disney's going back to $144.48. Intel, another one I was told by some person that no one uses Intel, blah, 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 whatever. Intel's the strongest buy recommendation. Intel will be going back to $42.41 and above.
Demo
Mitch
trade
or
only.
Match.com, depending if you're me or everyone else in the world. 3 months buy stop. Mitch is going back to $78.30.
Demo trade
FD,
only. I am not a financial
FDX,
advisor.
Federal Express. Federal Express is going to, I gotta go, going to go back to $258.38. P&G is going to go back to $170.10. EQIX is going to go back to $880. JHX is going to go back to $25.80. ED, I love to make comments on ED, but I'm have to leave that alone. ED is going to dip first and $105. EURUSD, weekly, daily. I told you, holy shit. Who the fuck? Yo, who's the hell the motherfucker that's been telling about ERUSD? ERUSD hit all take profits. Fuck out of here. Who was right on ERUSD? Who the motherfucker's been asking about ERUSD? Speak up now or I'm never calling ERUSD out again. I told you where ERUSD was going. I told you. Everyone here, throw up sevens, throw up yeses, throw up thank gods, throw up yourselves, throw up food. I don't care. I called you. I told you where the ERUS Daily Weekly was going, and there she blows. I don't want to fucking hear it. Look at that shit. Oh my God, I got to go back and call the open. All right, let's go back to the open. Holy fucking shit. Look at how great I told you, motherfuckers. Doubters out there in this world. Fuck out of here with your doubting selves. All right. Let's see. This is 10-second buy stop. Look for a buy stop on US 30 to the blue line. Look for US 30 to the buy stop to the 10-second blue line. Look for 5-second buy stop, US 30 YM1, 5-second buy stop to the blue line at open. We have less than 3 minutes to market open. I'm just calling this off of experience. This is a 5-second buy stop across the board on all indices. Buy stop US 30 and YM1 to the 5-second blue line for open. I need a pullback on NAS before I can call NAS or ES1 or SPX or NQ. I need a pullback. I can't call it otherwise. Fuck, I never called EURUSD. I don't know who asked for that, but that pisses me off to no end. Speak up. One of you kept asking for ERUSD. Oh, I never got to MMM. Shit. Hold on. Let me go to the 1 second. Yeah, our only hope is for a spike. 1 second buy stop on. We need this to drop. We need these to drop hard. Buy stop. 1 second. 1 second NQ1 buy stop. 1 second SPX buy stop. Let's have some fun. Let's have this pullback at open and let's see some fun on these buys. How much ding, ding, ding-a-ling, ding, ding, ding-a-ling can we do? 1 minute to market open. 1 minute to market open. Do not trade market open. Demo trade only. 1 second motherfucking buy stops, motherfuckers. Woo! You haven't got this. Good morning, Jake. Let's get a pull down on one of these. We need an ads to drop. No, you're in the money on ES1. You're in the money on SPX. You're in the money on NQ1. We need a pullback, peeps. We need this to come down. You just made at least 3, 4, 5 pips on NAS. It's over. It's over. 1 hour buy stop, all indices. 1 hour buy stop, all indices. Boom, baby. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Market open. Woo! The Fibonacci. In the money on NAS. In the money on SPX. In the money on ES1. In the money on NQ1. Woo! In the money on US 30. Told you, bitches. Told you. Woo! In the money. Who's in the fucking money? Demo trade only. Look, I told you it was going to the 5 second on US 30. I told you it was going to the 10 second on US 30. I told you it was going to the 50. I told you. Look at all that money. Look at all that fucking money. Woo! What's up, Matt Parker? Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at the fucking thing go up before your very eyes. Now, head over to thesafetytrade.com. Where the fuck is it? Come over to here. Buy the system, 575. Woo! Yeah, baby. Don't get no better than that. It's over. It's over. Buy stop. US 30. YM1 again. Boom. Follow it down. Woo! A little note. We do have 2 alert emails over here. You might want to sign up for both of those. There you go. There you go. If I can do it, hundreds of my members can do it. You guys can do it too. Look at this shit. In the money. Green money. Free money. Easy money. Fun money. Playing music. Enjoying ourselves while we're trading. What's up, Kev O'Connell? Yeah, baby. Huh? Told you. Watch. You still have free money to go on US 30. Look. Yeah, baby. Woo! Live, let's go! You haven't got the buck. You haven't got the sniper. Step up. I'll trade. I'm here every morning trading. Well, okay. I've been on 2 days a week for the last 4 years. I haven't missed at least 2 days. What's up, Anomalous Trading? Welcome to the channel. It's over. You fake fucking traders. Stand up. Come on. Fake traders. Where are you at, all you fucking traders out there? Come on my show and trade against me on open. Trade against me on 10-second charts. Trade against me on 5-second charts. Come on, traders. Where are y'all at? Ballless fucking wonders. Fuck out of here. I have to end my TikTok before they ban me. Bye on TikTok. Get the fuck out of here. What's up, Steven? Called a 1 hour buy stop on all indices. But you read it right. It is a 30-minute. You ever wonder why I've been on for 4 fucking years? There's not one trader to trade against me on a 5-second, any time period. Why hasn't there been any trader, all the trading royalty, Lisa this and trading Tina that and this guy that? Fucking come on my show, you motherfucking ballless wonders. Come on my fucking show and trade against me, Jack fucking Pines. You're lucky I'm in a good mood this morning. I don't want to shred each and every one of you. Fake fucking traders. That's what they fucking are. Fuck out of here. I'm on here every morning giving out free fucking signals for you guys. Every fucking morning I'm on here. Every fucking morning, telling you what it's going to do before it does, showing you what it does before it does. You still have time on US 30 and YM1. Come on. Come on. And where are they at? I told you where this is going to go hours ago. When did I go live? 2 hours ago? 3 hours? I have no idea. I told you NAS is going to go up to its orange line on the 1 hour, and it did. I told you NQ1 was going to go to the 1 hour orange line, and it did. I told you still have time for SPX and ES1. Buy stop. Free money giveaway. Take any buy stop on ES1 and SPX. Told you. Told you. And you have tons of time on US 30 and YM1. Told you. NAS told you it was going to do it first. It did it. I told you NQ2 was going to do it also. It did it. You still have time for SPX and ES1. Buy stop to the 1 hour orange line, especially SPX. I love that one. Love it. You're welcome, Stephen, and thank you for being here. Now, again, if you don't have the system, buy it. You no longer have to trade like a ballless wonder and being scared every day of your life. You don't have to be, I wonder if this is going to go up. I wonder if this is going to go down. I wonder if this is going to go higher. I wonder if the news, I wonder if the Fibonacci, I wonder what's in a wonder ball. Okay, you guys probably thought I lost it at that one. But seriously, I called this to go here, it's there. I called this to go here, it's there. I'm telling you it's going to go there, and it's going to go there. I'm telling you US 30 is going to give you so much money in YM1 on the way back up, it's a joke. 1 hour buy stop, US 30. It's going to go back up, but you're going to see SPX and ES1 first. You've already seen NAS and NQ hit it. You'll see this fill in. I'm going to tell you exactly. Let me just fucking tell you exactly, then we'll leave on this. These little green lines right here, this little green lines right here, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going to happen. I'm going to draw it out. Exactly what's going to happen on NAS. This is what you're going to see. This is what you're going to see on NAS and NQ1. This is what you're going to see. This is what you're going to see on SPX. Are you watching? This is what you're going to see. Then you're going to see price action do this. Then you're going to see price action. This, I'm telling you, I'm drawing it out. I trade with you 90% of the time. I'm in some longer term trades. This is what's going to do. And then look at your little yellow line right here. I'm drawing it out for those of you who can't understand the words I speak. This is what it's going to do. 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 There you go. And then you know what else it's going to do? Here, let me show you other things. Let's show you what's going to happen on the sniper. This is your pink line. I only have purple. I'm going to have to use purple on this. This is going to come up like this. This is going to come up like this. This is going to come up like this. This is going to... How many other traders are telling you and drawing out what's going to do before it happens? Hours and days before it happens. It's going to do this. That's what it's going to do. You want to know what else is going to happen? Here's the blue line. It's going to hook up afterwards like this. It's going to hook up afterwards like this. I'm on the 1 hour chart for these symbols. This is what it's going to do. Is this clear enough for you? This is exact enough for you? I told you everything that's going to happen. I told you it was going to go to this orange line, and it did. Right to it. I told you it was going to go right here, and it did. Right to it. I'm telling you it's going to go to here, and it's going to go to here, and it will. I'm telling you eventually you're going to see this exact same scenario play out. It's going to go right up here on this one, and it's going to go right up here on this one. Now, for all you doubters and haters, go fuck yourselves, get off my channel, and leave. For everyone else here, learn and say, how the fuck can this crazy-ass foul-mouthed motherfucker trade every day and tell us what's going to happen every day before it happens? Every day he's on here. Okay, last week, because we were on a cruise ship, I only did 2 days after I got back. But nonetheless, nearly every day I'm on here doing this. What's up, Yard Dog? Good morning. Is this getting through to any and all of you that are, what, 46 there and 26? There's about 80 of you watching now. Is this getting through to any and all of you? Every day I'm on here telling you and showing you and trading with you and telling you before it happens. Every day it happens. You don't believe me? Good. I don't give two fucks. Go over to my YouTube channel and don't be a lazy ass and watch 1.1 thousand videos. 1,000 videos. Over and over and over again. There's 1,000 times with videos I've been correct. Yeah. Okay. Head over, buy the system, Tell your friends, tell your families. Let's get a whole movement. Fuck relying on the government money. Fuck relying on a 9-to-5 job. Fuck relying on wasting your life away working for someone else. Buy the system. Tell your friends, tell your spouses, tell everyone, show them the money you're making, becoming walking billboards. You can do it. I'm positive you can do it. Other members of my system have done it. If they can do it, you can do it. Yeah, we were on a cruise ship last week. Sorry, Yaradar. Anyone, Kirk Brown, it's getting through to Kirk Brown. So the whole other 80, 100 of you, it's not getting through to. Is that right? Is that right? Okay, fine. Watch the 21-minute video that's in Typeform. Correct. Just saying, guys. Wish you all the best. Hoping you all buy the system. Buy it for your family. Buy it for your friends. Buy it for your brothers and sisters. Buy it for your neighbors. Buy it for the people you hate. Buy it for your coworkers. Help everybody. The more you teach people the system, the better you'll be at it. We have an affiliate program. You can be an affiliate. We actually have an affiliate channel now. I'm just saying, do what you guys want. Trade any which way you want. But I hope to God you all become consistently profitable traders so you can retire if you want to. Gotta go. God bless. Talk to y'all later. Everybody have a great day. I probably won't be on later today. Talk to y'all later. See ya. Wow, I hope to God that opens some people's eyes up. I hope.